Hello everybody, this is JDB. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move the camera so when you render a model to make it work better. So here's the main screen. You move around with the mouse wheel. The camera icon is over here. Click that and you have it like this, but you can't move it with a regular mouse click. So what you do is try moving mouse, it doesn't do it either. You have to click to the options area, hit the N key on the keyboard. This menu pops up. Go to view and go to camera to view. Click that on there. You have that open. Now you can move the camera around with the middle mouse button. And when you render it, it should pop up. Give it a second. And there you have it. You have the rendered cube. And to turn off the camera, you just click this off and there you go. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a wonderful day.